Stop your Samsung washer from twerking by replacing the suspension rods. Safety first, turn the water off, and to prevent electrocution, unplug the machine. This is the model number, but it may apply to other models. There's 3 screws on the back. First, remove the one on the left here. Then there's another one on this plate that needs to be removed. And then there's one on the right side. When you get those 3 out, then remove this plate. Then come around front and there's 2 screws hidden underneath these rubber stoppers. Pull up these rubber stoppers and then you're going to find 2 Phillips head screws, one underneath each one. Remove them. I like to use a magnetic tray to organize my hardware. There's a link in the description below. Before lifting the top of the washer off and leaning it back, it's a good idea to tape the lid down. I'm using a 2-foot section of wood to prop up the lid so it doesn't fall down on my head. All the suspension rods are the same except for this one in the right hand corner, which has a clip that attaches the pressure switch hose to it. The suspension rods are greased, so it's tough to get a grip. If you have a pair of vice grips, it really helps out. Using the vice grips, lift the rod up and then out through the slot in the corner. You can't see it here, but there's a slot in the bottom section that you need to pull the rod through as well. There's that slot I was talking about. Now watch how the grease on this rod makes my hand slip, even with sticky gloves on. There are links in the description to get the proper parts. Make sure you get the right parts for your model number. Make sure you get grease and grease the new rods. There's a link in the description. You can see here, I just take my finger and I grease it on the underside here. You can clearly see here how you slip the rod through the slot in below and on top, and then just let it go and pop it into place. Then there's just one more rod to install, and don't forget to clip the pressure hose switch back on the rod in the upper right hand corner. After installing all 4 new suspension rods, there's nothing left to do but reassemble the machine. Just follow the disassembly steps in reverse. You can watch at the end of this video and we show you how to do that. Now if you're going to order the parts for your Samsung washer, there's links in the description below. Now there's OEM links for the original manufacturer parts, which I highly recommend, and then there's Amazon links as well, which might get you aftermarket parts, and I can't guarantee those. I'm also putting a phone number down below that you can call, have your model number ready when the person answers the phone, and they will give you the correct parts for your model. It's very important to order the correct parts for your model. If you found this content useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends.